Yeah, well, I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, ladies and gentle G's. I don't know, so once again, where they have to review some music video. You understand what I say? And who we got to review today? The one and only Tom Cruise. I really think that I'm Tom Cruise.
Tom Cruise. I really think that I'm Tom Cruise.
You understand? The one and only Dan Andre. You understand? Jamaican residing in UK right now. You understand what I say? Ready for come take over the summer. You see, make all the banger hot. I believe so. Let me know what you think. Ladies and gentle G's, you don't know, introducing the one and only Dan Andre. Let's go fire in the booth. Matter of fact, before we even start, because I know someone that asks me, yo, Negus, where you get a shirt from? My shirt body say yardy, bumbuckler. You understand what I say? Yeah, man, my shirt up, man. See that? And you can get this shirt. Let's follow them on Instagram at Brock Them Bad. Them have some t-shirt with Jamaican saying and Jamaican quotes. Them have backpacks. You see me? I just straight this brand is Jamaican. So if you want one of them bad shirt here, just make sure say wanna go link up Brock Them Bad on Instagram. You see me? I make sure say wanna full up on a cart and make sure say wanna buy something from Brock Them Bad on Instagram. You understand what I say? Now anyway, go dive back into the blood clot review. Up! Warning, any props used in this video that shows resemblance of any illegal materials are merely props.
Yeah. Hello? Yeah. Tracy. Yeah. Hold on. Yeah. It's only 5 minutes. One sec.
Whoa!
Yo, phone. Start.
But that's why I say big up Dan Andre. One Nation and Imara Nation.
Hold on. 1 sec.
Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and go over Dan Andre and subscribe. You understand what I say?
Say none. Me nah see them voting set up here. Up some gun pan a MB. Couple bang a phone so me get paid. If you not hustle down me you can't stay. No long man a sling white and a Virgil a blow alone did the half white. For your price them all right. Call me the plug card and never bring lights.
Go pause that real quick. Dan Andre, I like this. I'm telling you, it remind me of what name there. Do you see the rhythm? It remind me of what you know about pressure. You see me? Bad piece already, but you see the rhythm? Rhythm a shot. I like your flow. I like your delivery. You see the little ad-libs them we have? I like them there too. And you see the part I'm really like? I like where you have the bricks among the bricks. You understand me? I say cause dealings are going, you know. So the dog hide the bricks among the bricks. If you pre-war go on, you will see. Who's your eye them? You're not blind. Go continue.
Ring, couple bricks gone. This the life, but me can't keep calm. Buy couple firearm. You better know, said the black bomb. Take a look, what in on my left palm. Bronze land, since I'm gonna eat, people gonna pay me. Back and forth, chips, see, but me daily. Up in your ears, them listen clearly. If you're fed up on the broke life, or will link me. Who want to start? Yeah, me have it. Got it. Kitty them say, God damn it. Straight drop, no magic. When this sparks, not a swear is a rocket. Tell me I'll be white and brown, no segregation. Come here, repress a imitation. White girl from Panama, girl from Pakistan. Link me, that way you are wait, man. Just do it.
Hola. Brother. Dan Andre. How you find one about, bro? So far, you know, I compliment your flow, I compliment the delivery, I compliment the beat, I compliment the video concept. You see that blood clot chorus that bad, bro? Who want to start? Yeah, me have it. Anthem. This is an anthem. Go continue right quick.
In soda Pyrex dish. In the microwave, me now on this. Cold water, me use cool down this. Continuous spin till me lock this. The brown let me brown in. 10 why you think them keep phoning? Coulda night, coulda early morning. Man, I forget up and get it, man, I know yawning. Amen, hallelujah. I thought them say when them taste the food, yeah. We up in me need it the sooner. Possession with the tender that me go a jail for. Trucking on my DNA. Fit the lifestyle, yeah. 3 years me been away. Like injury, me no play. Get pulled with this thing, you know I can't spoof. Say the start, yeah, me have it. Kitty them say, God damn it. Straight drop, no magic. When this sparks, not a swear is a rocket. Tell me I'll be white and brown, no segregation. Can you repress a imitation? White girl from Panama, brown from Pakistan. Like me, that way you are wait, man. Just do it.
If we don't really want you again, say
Dan Andre, how you find out when Dan Andre? Dan Andre after Tom Cruise, me think say never gonna find another hit bad, bro. What is going on, Dan Andre? That tune you hot. Who want to start? Yeah, me have it. I'm telling you, I'm ready to tune Dan Andre because you're not sing up in your nose like some man. When some man are singing, man, them sound like blood clot like that nana mouth. And them nose hole, them a sing out. Dan Andre actually a spit. That I deal with the rhythm. Who want to start? Yeah, me have it. Range, delivery. Some of them youth here, I don't know. Anyway, go continue. Dan Andre, me like this. It hot.
To start, yeah, me have it. Got it. Kitty them say, God damn it. Damn it. Straight drop, no magic. When this sparks, not I swear is a rocket. Tell me I be white and brown, no segregation. Damn your repress a imitation. White girl from Panama, brown from Pakistan. Link me, that way you are wait, man. Just do it.
Oh, fucking Lord. Yo, Dan Andre, brother. Scusi me, G. Scusi, bad bro. You see me like sweat? Me a sweat in my blood class studio. Brother. Me, personally, it's a it. To me. I don't know. I don't know anything. Matter of fact, we just go over Dan Andre page right now. Go over Dan Andre page and make him know what you think about it. Because me, I tell you, say, this bad. Who want to start? Yeah, me have it. Up. You know about One Nation and Imara Nation. Make sure someone like, comment, share, subscribe, hit notification bell so we can grow the fam. You understand? Up move.